I like the type of work we do here. It's pretty challenging. Some of it can be intricate.
The thing I like working about at Con-Vey is the environment that the supervisors provide. It gives us a good learning experience, gives us lots of good life skills, and it incorporates us in the community that we live in.
I enjoy working at Con-Vey because every single day when I come in, I see smiling faces, everyone looks excited to be here. So it just puts you in a positive mood. Everyone that works here is super awesome, and I feel like it's the most important part when you work at a job is who you work with. So it makes it fun and enjoyable.
My favorite part about working at Con-Vey is working with the different departments and the passion and excitement everyone brings to each project.
I like the atmosphere here and how there's so many different options to choose from, and they like to cross-train everybody here.
I like working here because you actually get to go in and do the job you want to do and develop your skills.
I like the way everybody's friendly to each other and everybody helps out.
They're a very family-oriented company.
It's different every day. Something different every day. Not the same thing.
I like working at Con-Vey because of the skills that I've learned, the ability to work with other departments, and then just the overall environment about how friendly everybody is, how I can go into the shop and start conversations with the workers out there, and it's just been a great growing and learning process.
I really enjoy working at Con-Vey. Great management that are really flexible with work schedules. Really neat to see machines go from design to being built out in the shop.
The resources available for doing my job are ample.